What if you could turn a simple photo into something cinematic, like a 360 spin effect, clone effect, or epic visual scene, with just one click? In Filmora 15, the new AI effects feature lets you transform ordinary images into dramatic visuals instantly using artificial intelligence. No complex compositing, no advanced VFX skills, just drag, drop, and let AI do the work. Let's see how it works. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. What are AI effects in Filmora? Filmora now includes 38 different AI-powered effects designed to convert normal images into stylized scenes automatically. These effects use AI to detect subjects and objects in the frame, adapt the effect to the scene automatically, apply cinematic transformations with minimal effort. Instead of performing complicated steps manually, Filmora packages those AI capabilities into ready-to-use effects. This means creators can produce complex visuals with just one click. Step 1. Import your image to the media bin. First, open Filmora and create a new project. Import your image or clip into the media panel. Then drag it onto the timeline. AI effects work best when the AI can clearly detect the subject or environment in your footage. So, the images with a person, object, or strong scene composition usually produce the best results. Step 2. Open the AI effects panel. Now go to the Effects tab. On the left side, open AI effects. Here you'll see a collection of AI-powered presets, such as Dragon in the Palm, Multiple Clones, Epic Orbit, Guardian Wings, Skateboard Bullet Time, Spotlight, Snap Zoom In. Each effect is designed to create a specific cinematic transformation. Step 3. Preview the effect. Before applying any effect, you can preview it directly inside Filmora. Simply click on an effect, and Filmora will show you a preview of how it looks. This makes it easier to explore different styles and decide which effect fits your video best. Step 4. Apply the AI effect. To apply an effect, drag the AI effect onto the image or clip in your timeline. Then click on Generate. Once applied, Filmora will start processing the effect. The AI automatically analyzes the image and detects the subject or environment to adapt the effect properly. This turns a normal image into a stylized scene in seconds. Let's take a look at the generated video. How AI effects work behind the scenes. These AI effects are designed to simplify complex workflows, instead of manually performing multiple editing steps. Filmora packages everything into a single, ready-to-use effect component. So, what normally takes many editing steps becomes a simple drag-and-drop action. Cloud processing advantage. Another important detail is that AI generation runs through cloud processing. This means your computer stays responsive. Editing can continue while the effect is generated. Overall performance remains stable. You can keep editing your timeline while the AI processes the effect in the background. Why this feature is useful for creators. The biggest advantage of AI effects is creative speed. Instead of learning complex visual effects workflows, creators can quickly produce cinematic visuals, social media effects, dramatic scene transformations, stylized storytelling visuals. This makes Filmora especially useful for YouTube creators, short-form editors, and social media content producers. With 38 AI-powered effects, automatic subject detection, and one-click application, you can turn ordinary images into cinematic scenes without complicated editing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.